Hi everyone, here's a device shown on Jerry Ellsworth channel 2.5 years ago. She was showing how to dig a hole through a razor blade or very hard material like spring steel with a device that works on 5 volt with and draws 1 amp. It's a doorbell solenoid. One end goes to the positive and the other end goes to the plunger of the doorbell. She put an electrode, I think it's a needle, and you connect the other end of the coil to the needle. So positive goes to there, and when it touches the workpiece, like the razor blade, that is connected to the ground, to the negative, it's gonna energize the coil, the solenoid, and pull back the plunger. Then it's gonna spark over here and dig a hole through time. So I made mine a little different. It's working on 1.5 volt, and there is a lot smaller solenoid on it. It's a photo objective solenoid for the objective opening. And I'm not using it to dig a hole, I'm using it to drive a LED. I said I wrote a red, but I'm gonna show a blue one. I'm working on 1.5 volt and it's drawing 12 to 80 milliamp depending of the gap here, not the gap but the pressure of the return spring and the needle distance and the voltage too. So that's a pretty simple circuit. Mine is a little different. Like I said, I'm using the needle on the negative and the plunger is flat, so and it's tapping against the needle real fast, and the collapsing field is lighting up the LED. So I'm gonna show it working. It's already tuned, already adjusted. So that is the small solenoid here, the greeny here, with the needle through a block to keep it in place and adjust it. You cannot see very clear, but working on 1.5 volt and the blue LED parallel to the solenoid, and the negative, the cathode goes to the positive side of the battery connection. So I'm gonna put the battery in and hope it's gonna work the first time. Yes. So it's lighting up the blue LED, 1.5 volt, and here's the not fully focused, but I'm just gonna try to pull out that LED and try if you can see a little spark sometimes, but I'm not sure it will show. I think we've seen 2 or 3 sparks. It really sparks, and that's what digs the hole through very hard material. So it's a pretty simple circuit, easy to build, and a little annoying but really cool. So thanks for watching.